test today, and it's Friday, and Friday we always get tests. So here we go. Passing out your tests. Test. Bro, I don't even know how to do this test. Dang it. Stupid. It says don't fail me today. By G. My teacher was cheat. Seriously? Okay. My name is I don't even know this math. It's easy. My name is Will. And this is gonna be easy. 30. 9 times 3 is 27. 30. 10. 24. 24. 72. 12. 54. 30. How? The nerd has less than me. And I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 more. I have like too many. And now, teacher! Yes, LeBron, what do you want? I can't hear you. Teacher, I don't even know this test. This is like 5th grade math. This is 3rd grade math. And how come you don't even know 3rd grade math, even though I been teaching you these past years? What is 5 times 3? 15. What like that? Blah 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 blah. 5 times 3. Hey, see? 5, 10, 15. Easy. I'm literally teaching you that. Done, teacher. Teacher, I'm done. Have Will. I can tell all these are correct since you got lots of A pluses. Instead of LeBron, which he has not learned how to do math yet. You're gonna go down your level. Your report card is Why don't you shut up, nerd? You're the one that always bosses the teacher's pet. Why do you have to be so annoying all the time? LeBron, why don't you come with me to walk to the principal's office? Detention, right now! Go! And think what you have to say! And apologize to Will! Thank you! Hate Will! He's an annoying brat! He made me this. Oh goodness, LeBron. A detention? Maybe like 10 times a day? Yeah, I think you... yeah. Okay, I'm calling your parents right now. Yeah. Okay, hey, is this LeBron's parents? Yeah, he's in detention again. Yeah. Oh, Mom, Dad, it's because of this annoying guy called, Will. He's always the teacher's pet. What? You're gonna take off my PC? Even my PlayStation 5? No, please, birds. No. Okay, I promise. In the end of the year, I will do good. No, you're taking away already. No. Can I at least have my doll back? A while later. I'm sorry. What do you think you're doing right now? Huh? I'm gonna beat you up. Meet me at 5 o'clock. What did you say? Huh. I really want to swear right now, but I can't. That's the rule. Quit it. Let go of Will right now, or I'll have to send you to the principal's office again. Please, Mrs. G, please, I beg you. My parents are even gonna kick me out of this house if I don't do good. I won't tell your parents, but at the end of the year, you better be good behavior and a good test. Please. I have to tell you. Well, you have to be good, because if you cheat, you will never get ahead, okay? I would literally believe somebody like you. That's annoying. 10 days later. Guys, I'm passing out your sheets. Here you go. Here you go, Will. Here you go, LeBron. Before we get to that, we have to go to the back part to show you what it is, too. Like, where the shake part. Hey, do the answers. No, I can't. That's cheating. Cheating's not good. You know I don't do that, LeBron. we'll do it. Fine. But you have to give me $10. Then I'll do it. Okay? Fine. I'll give you $10. Where's my money? Where's my money? Ugh. Here you go, nerd. And I'll take this, I guess. Pocket. I'll do your work. 15, 7. Okay, done. It took you 5 days. Goodness. Oh, are you almost done with your sheet yet? Yes. Okay, give me it. Thank you. Okay, I'll give you, I'll show you. Yes, these are, yes. Okay, I'll show you tomorrow. Are you seriously? That nerd made me wrong again? Oh, I'll beat him up at 5 o'clock. Finally, yes, I got an A+. Great. I'm gonna show Mom all my rewards up in the walls, and all of the walls are full with A+, medal rewards, and especially lots of medals. Look what we made me do. See? An F-. Are you serious right now? I'm gonna beat you up at 5 o'clock. Yes, I will. Look at those muscles. See? I'm gonna attack you right now, buddy. No, you don't do that. Don't do that yet. Miss T? Yes. And I overheard your conversation speaking with Will and LeBron. You said to Will that you wanted to get an A+. So I heard your conversation there, and so I think, will that let you cheat or not? So then, I made you an F-. And also, what a great surprise. You will go to the office again. Sorry, Miss T. After the detention, I'm so sorry for being mean to you. Well, I'm sorry. You were right. If you cheat, you'll never get ahead. Right. I'm sorry. Well, can we be friends now? I would like it. Okay, well, we could be friends. Of course we can. And I can teach you how math works. And I can teach you the work too. Thank you so much. You are my best friend now. Maybe we could play PS5 someday, and it'll be so fun, you and me together. And do you even know how to do it? No. Can you teach me? Sure thing. I'm the best at video games, and I love them. Thank you guys for watching our channel, watching our video, and I hope you guys take a like and subscribe to our channel. It's called Hola, and thank you for watching the channel. And this is based on a real true story. Because once you cheat, you will never get ahead. Make sure that's in your head. I tried so hard and got so